Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get a free Lean Six Sigma white belt certification that is free and cost is dollar of 0 rupees. This is a badge you will get, and this is a certificate format you will get. I'll show you the step-by-step process to how to get a certificate for the Lean Six Sigma white belt. So go through the documentation. So ready to kick up your quality improvement journey. This video walk through the pre-set council for the Six Sigma certification CSSC Lean Six Sigma White Belt certification. So what you will learn? You will learn Lean Six Sigma White Belt covers basic Lean practical principles, Six Sigma methodology, roles and responsibility. And two available paths are there. So standard exam will go through that. There is a 20 question and 30 minutes is there. So step by step process will go, and these are the other documents are there. So we'll go directly with the URL. So this is the register URL. So open this URL. So this is the council for the Six Sigma certification. Six Sigma certification. This is a Lean Six Sigma White Belt certification. Exam cost is dollar of 0 rupees. You can go from here also to get certified and Lean Six Sigma and here white belt. So white belt is free. So we'll go through that. And free Lean Six Sigma White Belt certification, a council for the Six Sigma CSC certified of the Six Sigma belt individual that has been proved, provided, and demonstrated for the understanding the most basic level of Six Sigma methodology. You can go through the training also and different path for the certification. So if you are the individual, then go for the free self guide. And path one is there ideal for the candidate. Path two for the ideal for the candidate. You can just check it out. This one, and there is a standard exam. Single certification is there. So go to the last. So for getting achieve the score 56 or higher out of 80, then only you will get a certified. Okay. So now just click on the register. So 0 rupees. Add to cart. View cart. Just proceed to checkout and fill fill the form and go there, or and you click on the place order, or if you are already logged in, then you can go through this. So now click on place order. I have filled up all the forms: name, last name, the state, town, country, city, pin code, phone number and email address are there. So wait, let it complete. Okay, so go and check your mail. You will get a mail. So your order. So Lean Six Sigma belt and there is a 0 rupees and other details are there. You can invoice is also there. So this is the invoice with my name, and I am paying for the Lean Six Sigma white belt standard. There is a single certification is there. So go to the checkout. Click on the certification. Go to the Lean Six Sigma, and there is a standard. So click on this. Okay, I have to log in. So click on login. So there is a exam details. You can go through the examination detail. So these are the examination detail, and there is a certification exam, white belt certification exam. So yes, official certificate is not issue. So I'll go through the exam. So attempt exam now. Start attempt. So this is the exam is started. Let me complete the exam. This is the open book exam. So I have to complete this exam. Then I will let you know. So after completing all the attempts, so last, this is the final attempt. I have answered all the questions. So click on the final attempt, and you have answered all the questions, or you can return to the attempt, and the attempt must be submitted on this one. So submit all and finish. That is submit all and finish. So this is a submitted, and we got a 68%. Or you can go for the reattempt the exam. So go back to your certification, and there is a official certification is issued. So click there and download your certificate. So click there. So this is the certificate. So this is Lean Six Sigma White Belt certification certified there Chitranjan Mahto, and other details are there. So there is a certificate number, and this certification date is November 17 2025. So there is a step by step I have shown to you how to get a 100% free Lean Six Sigma White Belt certification, complete course, and Six Sigma White Belt. So ready for the kickoff, and you can go through the step by step process. There is a disclaimer: is there all trademark, logo, and names belong to their respective owners. And follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. Follow the process exactly shown in the video, and share this YouTube with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comment box, and subscribe for the free certification and learning content. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.